What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Happy holidays. We are heading over to CES Motorsport. My brother actually bought the 2022 X3m. As you guys might remember, he had a Donington Gray X3m that was like a 2021 or 2020, and then he got the new one that just came out. Marina Bay Blue, I think is the color. It did unbelievable color. It looks like San Marino, but a little bit more on like the true blue side. Also got to drive it, which is pretty cool. The car's fast, man. As you guys know, it's got the S58, so the same motor from the G80 M3. That thing boogies, bro. He wanted to get a little more power out of the car, so he actually picked up a JB4. There's really not a good tuning solution for those cars yet. Some people like send the DMEs off to Russia. I think until they have something that's like flashable at home and where people can at least like go and like get a bench unlock and then just do it themselves, probably won't see a lot of people tuning these cars. So he actually went with a JB4, which is pretty common. It's what like a lot of people are doing on like the newer Supras and the G80s and the X3m. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. Holidays are amongst us, and I'm gonna be taking a little bit of a break until January. Just got a lot of traveling and like holiday stuff going on, and I just want to chill and be with the family and be present. So I'm gonna be taking a little hiatus, but I will be back. I promise you I will be back. We are still waiting on the new motor to show up for the 340. We were planning on getting that thing here this week, and then it was gonna be ready before the holidays, but that is just not gonna happen. So we're gonna wait. Probably won't happen until after the new year, if I'm being honest. Maybe next week before the new year. The motor only has 277 miles on it. I thought it had 1,000. Motor only has 277 miles, so this is like a brand new motor. So it's gonna be important that we just take our time with it and kind of break her in. And then after we get back from the BMW Invasion show in February in Orlando, we'll turn it up. We'll get a little spicy with it. I talked to John, and I'm gonna be doing port injection on the car. I just would rather go that route than even deal with any of the other stuff that we had planned. And we are gonna be tuning with Fabian over at Pure Boost with MHD. I don't know about you guys, man, but I've been having nothing but issues. Actually, we as a shop have had nothing but issues using boot mode. Logging in, getting data logs when we run dyno pulls, connecting issues. It's been constant with boot mode. And even when I was at home trying to make the videos on boot mode, I had multiple maps just fail halfway through. Couldn't start my car, had to go back to the stock tune. It took forever to flash it. Every time I flash with boot mode, it takes like 3-4 minutes. Every time I flash with MHD, it's like lightning quick, and I never have connectivity issues. So I honestly kind of just reached this point where I was like, dude, I'm done. I'm done using boot mode. I have nothing but issues with that application and that platform, and I'm now just gonna continue to use MHD, and I just prefer it, honestly, over boot mode, so I'm sticking with it, and that's what I'm gonna do from here on out. We're pulling up the shop now. I'm gonna see you guys inside, show you this sick X3m. Look at this thing, freaking behemoth. It doesn't look like too bad to work on though.
No.
Look at, there's some room in here.
Oh, a lot of room.
It's probably a little bit easier than the S55s. We're missing Cademan here today, fellas. I know you guys are used to seeing him in the videos. He hurt his toe. He'll be back though. Oh yeah, that's convenient.
As opposed to putting it on here where it's out in the open.
This is it right here, right?
Yep, that's it right there. It's a nice little billet case they make now.
Yeah. It's convenient.
You remember the old ones were like plastic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They really do look like Halo turbo sorts. It's crazy.
And so these are the 265s, or what comes on the rear, and I still had the set of tires, so I put 265s up front. It's 9.5, 10.5, but there's so much more grip now.
How much was this?
$7.99, but I didn't have to buy the wire. It would have been more expensive, but I had the wireless connection, the little adapter from the last one from the Type R, so I just took the JB4 apart, plugged it in.
Oh, okay.
And so, yeah, it was $40. It would have been $140 more, so it would have been almost $1,000.
Recap quick as to what gets plugged into where and all that. You said like T-map. What else?
Yeah,
what
you
is
got
it?
your T-map, and then your map sensor on the manifold,
Uh-huh.
and then you have your two electronic wastegate plugs as well
Okay.
for both turbos.
And then it's mounted. The box is mounted back here. Clean. All that plastic. Damn, bro. This thing's gonna rip. Dude, this is... I hate seeing this. It's like... Oh, it'll be here soon. It sucks seeing this though, man. It's so like... it's just a bummer. But yeah, like I said, the engine was supposed to be here. Today is Wednesday. It was supposed to be here on Monday. And then I looked at the tracking and I was like, oh, never mind. It's still in California. So it sounds like the engine will actually be here on the 28th. So when I get back from my holiday travels, I will have to get back into it, which is fine. Not really in a rush with her anyways, but it just sucks seeing her here, man, like this. Not what you want to see. Trans is massive, dude. Freaking massive. Oh, RIP, baby. Shout out to the guys over at DAW Turbos for sending out my new one, and they did it quick. We had this thing back in just a couple of days. So big shout out to those guys. Once the new motor gets here, we can throw that back on and get back on the road, man.
Didn't do it justice, man. You gotta hear it, like when you accelerate off. It's crazy.
We should do some rips down the road.
These are the best looking taillights I think I've ever seen in my car.
Yeah, I don't understand why some people don't like them. I think they look
What?
really good.
You must be crazy because they hate because they want the car. Like,
Probably, dude.
I have a pre-LCI and I just don't like those because I don't have the LCI.
I actually really like them. I think they look really good.
They
I
look
like
amazing.
The
I
way they look.
mean, what can dude.
Some people just be hating, bro.
All right, so just wrapped up JB4 on the 2022 Halo Edition X3m. So I've actually never used JB4 before, but my brother has on his Honda, and he was saying that you pretty much just like plug it in and turn on the car, and it's already like tuned, piggyback tuned, I guess you could say. Yeah, and then you can adjust it through the app. They have different maps in the app that you can switch it to, but I'm sure he's just gonna drive it on like a, what is it, map 1 right now, I guess it would be. Yeah, until he messes with it. So and cruise around and see how it feels. If you guys need anything done, hit up CES Motorsport out here in Monroe.
Color is so crazy. It's such a good
Nah, that's not a real one. Sick. We're gonna go for a ride. You guys check this thing out. In the Tiguan? Yeah, I'm running stage 19.25. You want to you want trying to run it? Digs only. He wants to run the Tiggy, dude. Sheesh.
Well, thanks, guys. I'll see you.
Yeah, dude, this color is wild. It's like San Marino. Marina Bay Blue is what it's called. So sick. Bye, honey. See you soon. Oh, miss you. All right, so we were looking at the maps, and it looks like map number 2 makes the most sense. It's like 4 PSI increase in boost. And then you can run like all the other maps.
Oh, I can't. Oh, okay.
So 2. Oh, so it did put you automatically on 1. So 0 is stock. 1 is like, what, 3 PSI, 2 PSI over?
Yeah, that's all.
So this is map 2. So this should be the one that has...
Yeah, Gear 1. Yeah, it's so, this is such a good product, man. Come out, like,
Yeah, it's easy to use.
Yeah.
Back with the F80, bro. It's wrapped. Thing's crazy.
I can tell.
Let her warm up a little bit. Oh.
Yeah, this is not a boring car.
No, it's definitely not. It's so crazy because it's an SUV, but it just it gets
Yeah,
up,
it
dude.
feels like a beefed up M3.
Yeah, it's wild.
Oh my god, dude. Oh, it's significantly. It feels like my old car. Yeah. Dude, it's
Rips.
noticeable.
Oh my. This thing handles like a car, dude.
Oh, completely. It's so planted.
It's so good. Oh my god. In an SUV. That is ridiculous.
I'm sober, so you won't die.
Jeez.
Oh, it's so fast.
Oh my god.
Dude, that you got out of your seat on that. That puckered up my butthole.
Oh my god, dude.
That was scary. This
That
road's
is crazy.
wild, dude.
This road is wild.
If I didn't, you
There's a
know,
lot going on.
this is the only time I might put coils on an SUV, so you're not as
It
fuzzy.
feels good though, man. This thing feels really good.
Yeah. You want to drive it back?
Yeah, can I?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. Where's the thing? Is there any
No, you're good. Do you want to drive automatic or manual?
Oh really, manual?
Yeah. And you have the you have the RPMs up on the head up.
Oh, okay.
Let me put my seatbelt on so we're not ringing. And remember, there's oversteer because the front tires, so just be aware.
Oh.
You don't want to break traction because it'll freak you out. Holy shit!
Shit.
Yeah, this is scary when I'm not like paying attention.
It's legit like a car. Man, it feels good.
Feels real good, right?
I wonder how much power that added.
Probably a lot.
Dude, for an SUV, like that is crazy.
We don't know what this road does, so.
Ooh, brakes are really good, man.
Yeah, they're really good. Oh my gosh. Woo! God. This road's intense, man. Yeah, my hands are getting a little sweaty. Dude, careful on this one. Holy smokes! God, dude, it gets a little scary.
Especially when you're not driving, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's not fun when you're not driving.
Yeah, this thing feels amazing, dude.
Oh, he's like, he gonna blow it. What?
Did it stop sign?
Yeah. Holy smokes, dude.
God, dude. It's like 4 to 7.5 RPM is like insane. Like it just pushes you so far back into the seat. The torque is good, really good. It feels like a car. It really feels like a car. It's crazy.
So weird.
It's all the carbon stuff we did the other day.
Yeah, that wheel looks
Super good. So we did the trim, which is OEM, right? OEM BMW.
This is OEM.
Trim on carbon.
I got those matched from eBay.
Yeah, and then you got the paddles.
Yeah,
Looks
because,
good,
I
man.
mean, who wants? Oh, go back to the main one.
Yeah, like the main
Oh,
screen.
the main I drive.
Yeah,
So
it's
that's
freaking,
like-
dude. The screen is huge in this thing.
Yeah,
it's
real
so big.
Like especially if you go to nav.
Yeah.
And how big the nav map
It looks
is.
really good.
But,
These cars are nice, man. They're really sick. Thing is so cool. You can definitely feel a difference with the JB4. I think it showed that with the map that he's running is like 4 PSI more boost, which you're gonna feel for sure. Is that another one? Oh shoot. All black, that looks good, man. Dang. Yeah, dude, that car, his car is, X3Ms are so dope, man. So dope. Kind of feel like I might have to get rid of the Tiguan and upgrade to an X3M at some point. I've been thinking about it for a while, but the new ones, I don't know if I would get like an older one, because I don't really need a brand new one. The new ones are nice, man. They're super nice. The tech and everything, the power that they make, they're sick. So sick, dude. All black. Oh my god. It's so funny like seeing them haul ass because it's just like a sport compact SUV. This little SUV just freaking moving. And they look so good too. All right, cool. Quick little vlog with the brothers X3M running that JB4. We're gonna get that thing on a all-wheel drive dyno, and I'll let you guys know what it's putting down, but it sounds like he's gonna put some E in there, maybe some like E50, E30 or something like that, do some crazy JB4 custom maps. It's pretty much all you can do right now with those cars, but they're still sick, man. They're monsters. It's funny because it's like the G80 platform is the M3 in an SUV, but it's just dope. They move. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna have everything linked down below if you need it. Also, CES's information down below as well. But before we take off, you guys, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Very thankful to have all of you guys who support the channel. And yeah, take some time off, spend some time with your loved ones. This time of year is obviously a very joyful time of year for a lot of people, but also for some people who don't have families or are just going through it, man, it can be a really tough time of year. So make sure you reach out to the ones that you love. Just tell them you love them, dude, because you never know. You just never know what that person is going through. But on a lighter note, I love all you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.